Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be talking about how to reduce the eye bags or how to get rid of the eye bags. A lot of us experience the eye bags as we age or when we wake up in the morning. This is something that's just we have to deal with. It happens to all of us, especially when we don't get enough sleep or when we sleep too much, or when we do eat a lot of salty food before going to bed. So you normally experience eye bags under the eyes. So I do have a few suggestions for you in this video. Hopefully all of these tips and tricks are gonna help you, give it a try and then see how it works on your case, because in my case, if I do all these steps or if I do one of them, it literally gets rid of my eye bags. Eye bags are normally caused by a lot of fluid collecting under the eye. So just to let you know, anything that's cold, anything that is gonna help to kind of flush it away is the trick here. So something that I can suggest for you is using eye creams that has a cryometallic tip to it. My favorite one is from Clarins. As you guys know, this is their multi-active youth eye cream. It comes with the cryometallic tip. I think it's even called as a surgical metal tip as well, because this metal always stays cold. So this is the trick here. So what you want to do is get just a little bit of eye cream on your eyes before going to bed or in the morning when you do get a lot of puffiness, or I would say bags under the eye, and then you want to sweep across the baggy area. And then the trick here is you want to press it, press it, and then go all the way up onto the temple and then just flush it away to the heart. And also you can put it in the fridge and then leave it overnight. That way the metal tip right here gets even colder. Even the eye cream inside gets colder. That way when you do apply it, it just helps to minimize the puffiness, or I would say the bags. You guys know cold, anything that's cold is good for the swelling. So the swelling of your eyes, swelling of your face, whatever you can imagine. So another tip that I want to suggest for you guys is using some sort of eye patches. These are my favorite ones, especially this one right here from Black Pearl Man Friend. It's a Chinese brand, and the eye patches are made from black pearls. So as they say it, I don't know it exactly, but it is so cooling in the morning time. I love using this product in the morning. I do experience a lot of puffiness in the morning as well. And then especially sometimes my eyes feel a little bit dry in the morning time and I don't want to use any eye cream. I always go for these guys. I love them. Die Hard, my favorite. And they're very, very affordable as well. So another one that's made from gold. It pretty much looks like gold. Look how beautiful that is. It's so cute. So anyway, definitely check it out, these ones. These will help a lot for your bags. Every time I do use these eye patches or eye masks under my eyes and leave it on about 15 or 20 minutes, and then as soon as I remove it, I always notice that my under eye area is very flat, smooth, very soft to the touch. I love these guys. So another one that I want to share with you guys is using some sort of tools. Jade is my favorite skincare tools to get rid of the fluid from your skin, from your eyes as well, especially this one right here. It's called a Jade roller, and the small part is good for the corners, especially for the under eye area. I love using it, just kind of giving a little massage like that, and it just totally gets rid of everything from my eyes, anything that's collected. And what's really good about this tool is that this also stays cold all the time. The Jade always stays cold. Anything that's gonna stay cold, anything that's gonna help to, massage your skin is a good idea as well. Highly recommended. Another one is from Gua Sha. Another one is Gua Sha. I made a video about it not long ago, so definitely check out these tools as well. Super, super affordable. And last but not least, I want to recommend some sort of eye masks. Make sure that's hydrating eye masks. If you do experience a lot of puffiness, this video is all about puffiness, all bags today. So these kind of eye masks are also a really good option. This one is from Clarins. It is their Hydra Essential Moisturizing Reviving Eye Mask. So I love this guy. It is super hydrating. You can do it at night before you go to bed, or you can do it in the morning. You know, when you wake up, just leave it on for about 10 minutes, and it helps to moisturize your eyes. It helps to get rid of the puffiness. You know, the idea behind it is hydrating the eyes and also getting rid of the excess fluid from the eyes. So yes, these are my top tips for you guys to get rid of the eye bags and also puffiness from your eyes. Hopefully you found the video useful, and if you have enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up if you are new to my channel, and also make sure to subscribe. You know, if you do like skincare or beauty, I hope you're gonna love the channel and then come back and hang out with me. Alright guys, I hope you are having a good one, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Have a great one. Bye guys.